First, we need to know what is anthropology. Anthropology is the study and description of humanity's past and present. Questions about past include prehistoric origins and human evolution. The study of contemporary humanity focuses on biological and cultural diversity, including language. The word anthropology came from the Greek word anthropos, which means man, and logos, which means study. All in all, anthropology is the study of humankind.
Nature of anthropology. The nature of anthropology can be viewed from its historical perspective because it's a global discipline involving humanities, social sciences, and natural sciences.
There are goals of anthropology. First is to comprehend the fossil record of early people and their precursors, just as the archaeological record of later ancient social orders. Second is to understand how we adapt to different environmental conditions, how we vary as a species. Third is to comprehend the conduct of monkeys and gorillas in their regular settings. Fourth is to find out both the natural and social parts of the humankind all throughout the planet and all through time. Last is to apply anthropological information to help forestall or take care of issues of living people groups, includes destitution, substances, and HIV/AIDS. Perspective of anthropology. Anthropologists across the subfields utilize exceptional point of view to direct their exploration. There are four types of perspective of anthropology. First is the holism. Anthropologists are seeing all in all of mankind in how different parts of life connect. Second is cultural relativism. It is the possibility that we should try to comprehend someone else's conviction and practices according to the viewpoint of their way of life as opposed to our own. Third is comparison. It is the act of instance of comparing. It's a cultural anthropology. We compare ideas, morals, practices, and systems within or between culture. Last is fieldwork. Fieldwork is alluded to as ethnography, which is both interaction and after effect of social anthropological examination. Sociology. Sociology is the scientific investigation of human culture and social behavior. Nature of sociology. As a discipline, sociology arose early in 19th century in response to rapid social change. The ultimate goal of sociology is to acquire knowledge about society. Like all other social sciences disciplines, there are goals of sociology. First is to understand how membership in one social group affect individual being. Second is to understand how culture and its situations interact in different societies. Is to understand the meaning and consequences of post-modernity and new globalization. Fourth is to understand the causes and consequences of social change in terms of general causes and effect as well as unique historical circumstances. Fifth is to understand the causes and consequences of population, composition, and pressure and how population affect the environment and development of societies. Last is to provide information that reflect upon different policy initiatives. Perspective of sociology. The fundamental knowledge of sociology is that human conduct is molded by gatherings to which individuals have a place and by the social communication that happens inside those gatherings. Next is political science. Political science is the study of nature, causes and consequences of collective decisions and actions taken by groups of people embedded in culture and situations that structure power and authority. In other words, political science is a social science discipline of political activities, political thoughts, associated constitutions, and political behavior. Nature of political science. Politics is not only a more and situations of governance, but also a mechanism for achieving social goals. There are goals of political science. First is the concern with the process of growth. industrialization, and change in the impact and government forms and policies. Second is to describe how various political systems function and to find more effective political systems. Last is to measure the success of governance and specific policies by examining many factors, including stability, justice, material wealth,